This is a clay loam. What exactly clay loam is? Clay loam stands out as one of the most fertile and balanced. Clay loam is a mixture of sand, silt, and clay, containing 27% to 40% of clay and 20% to 45% of sand, combining the best qualities of each: the nutrient holding ability of clay, the moisture retention of silt, and the good drainage of sand. This balance makes it highly productive for farming and gardening. It supports strong plant growth, provides essential nutrients, and helps conserve water, making it a farmer's ally and a gardener's dream. Did you know that some of the world's most productive farmlands owe their success to a special type of soil called clay loam? It is often called the farmer's friend because of its balance of fertility, water retention, and texture, making it ideal for growing a wide variety of crops. However, like all soil types, clay loam faces challenges when not managed properly. It can become compacted, poorly drained, or depleted of nutrients. Farmers who rely on it may struggle with reduced yields, waterlogging, or soil erosion if sustainable practices are ignored. Poorly managed, clay loam can negatively affect both farmers and the environment. Crops may fail due to excess water or lack of oxygen in the roots. Nutrient depletion reduces soil fertility, forcing farmers to depend heavily on chemical fertilizer. In the long run, this harm biodiversity, increases production costs, and reduces the sustainability of agriculture. The good news is that with proper care, clay loam can remain one of the best soil for farming. Crop rotation and cover crops to maintain nutrients, organic matter addition, compost or manure to improve structure, proper tillage and mulching to reduce compaction and retain moisture, drainage system to prevent waterlogging. By practicing these methods, farmers can preserve the natural fertility and structure of clay loam for future generations. Clay loam is a treasure beneath our feet, rich, balanced, and life-giving, but it requires our care, whether you're a farmer, student, or advocate for sustainable agriculture. You can play a role, promote soil conservation, support eco-friendly farming practices, and respect the very ground that feed us. Let us ensure that clay loam continues to nourish communities today and tomorrow. Always remember, claim loam as a vital foundation of agriculture. Its balanced composition of sand, silt, and clay provides both fertility and stability, making it one of the most productive soil types. With proper care and conservation, claim loam will continue to sustain crops, nurture ecosystems, and support communities for generations to come.